And there he is letting the dog out.
Oh, and he's only wearing a towel. Oh, yeah. Now I get it, Max.
Bert, open the door. I'm going out. Bert, close the door. Let's roll.
I want to put some clothes on, but Caroline wouldn't let me.
Wow, that's the smartest thing Caroline's done since I've met her.
Max.
I'm not here.
Max, I can see your balls behind that pillow.
And I can see your balls behind that thing
Sophie, come on. This is sad.
Oh, well, not from where I'm sitting.
Max, I'm sorry about the way I handled things, but I just don't know how to break things off. That's why I was the lawyer on the last 3 Adam Sandler movies.
Why? I just need to know why. Because I'm too young? I'm too old? Is there someone else? You're married? You're gay?
With a body like that, gay is definitely on the table.